So a while back, we did a video asking you about this installation jig for deadbolts. Asking, should we sell it or should we trash it? Sell it or trash it? I need your help. And you voted and you said to sell it. Well, I'm back for more and I need your help. Now with this installation jig, right, it's very inexpensive and it's made out of plastic, right? Those are kind of the downsides. The good part is it has a really, really low price. And like I said before, in that video, many of you voted and decided that we should sell it. Now let's talk about it for a minute. So I'm looking for 10 volunteers, all right, that are going to be open-minded, that are gonna give this deadbolt installation a fair shake, right? You're not going into it already really not liking it or already loving it, and are willing to use it over the next couple weeks after you get it and take a picture or a video and send it to us and let us know thumbs up or thumbs down, all right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna share that with you, and we're really gonna get to the bottom, to the finish line, if this deadbolt installation jig is worth the money. So if you're interested, you have to comment on this video and include the hashtag LockBoss, all right? When you do that, is what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through it and we're gonna reply to 10 of them and say, you win. Send us an email at sales@CLKsupplies.com. We'll get your address, we'll ship you a unit, and then you can go ahead and use it within the next couple weeks. Take a picture or a video, send it to us with that thumbs up or thumbs down, all right? We'll have some fun. I can't wait to see the feedback and what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.